Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I got on my LinkedIn here. I'm going to build a new LinkedIn business page, so I thought I'd film that for you folks. So let's go ahead and get that started. Of course, you're going to need a LinkedIn account to start, and you're going to probably need a business. Both are very helpful if you're going to make a LinkedIn business account. So I have my other ones here, so I can show you My Media Helper, which is the channel I'm on right now. And this is my business account where I do postings. And if you go to view as member, you get this with your description and then other information. And then your postings should, oh, here they are right here, I think. Yep, postings are right there. Peeper highlights. Okay, posts right here at the top. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's make another one. I'm going to make one for Did You Know, another one of my YouTube channels. And this is just a banner. I forget for what, maybe Facebook. Oh, no, it's a Twitter banner. Here's a YouTube banner. I'm showing you these just to show you that I remain consistent across all my social platforms. I don't need that up. So here's Pinterest, just for an example. Here's Facebook. And then here's my YouTube channel for what is today. That's another YouTube channel that I have. But anyways, I'm just showing you because I remain consistent. And once you create one, you can just kind of copy and paste and manipulate the banner to fit whatever social media platform you're on. I usually just start with YouTube and then just build from there. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about when we get to building the banner. So I'm going to go back to my profile. And from here, you're going to see for business over here, this drop down. And get my head out of the way here. And you just want to create a company page. And then let me see. Small business, showcase page, subpage associated with an existing page. No, education, nah. So I'm going to go with company for this. And then fill in all this information. So it's going to be, did you know? And then there's an existing but claimed page. I wonder if you can use URLs on lowercase. Did you know vid? Okay, I'll use did you know vid because it is a YouTube channel, and I'll go over and get my URL for my YouTube channel. Go to one of these links and then just grab this here. I just don't grab the community. I just grab that and then I go back. Industry. I don't know. News and information. Internet. I'm going to put internet news because it's kind of an informational website. Organizational size is just me. Organization type. So I am incorporated. Public companies, well, it's not public, self-employed, government agency, nonprofit, sole proprietorship, privately held. Depending on what you are, you may be LLC, you may just be you, which is fine. No one else is going to be you but you. All right, this is where we need to put the banner. This says recommended 300 pixel recommended. Okay, so I went online here just to see the exact proportions that it should be. So according to this, it should be this 1128 to 191 pixels. So that's the size we'll use. Just put it here so I have it. And I'll go back here. And then I'm going to go to Canva. I have plenty of tutorials on how to use Canva. So this is not what this video is about. So if you go to homepage of your Canva, you can go here and put in the size. And then it's 1128. I think it will come up with the banner. Oops, that's a little too big. 1128 by 191. So if you don't know what it's called, and I didn't know what it's called LinkedIn career page backgrounds. So if you put it in a search, it will come up with that. Or you can just put in the dimensions like we showed you, or I showed you, we showed you. Is there something in my pants I'm not aware of? All right, so move me up here. So again, I'm not going to teach you how to use Canva, and I'm just going to go to a past one that I've done. So I think I'm going to go to this one. And what I'll do is I'm just going to copy this and paste here. And then I'll have that as my background. And then you can double click and shift it around. And I'll play with that in a minute. I'm just going to name this LinkedIn. Let's see. Did you know LinkedIn? So I know what it is going forward. And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. So I'll grab, actually I'll grab this background. See, let me grab the whole thing. You can grab all of this. So I'll use all of this. Copy over and then paste. It might be too big. Oh, no, it's not terrible. And I can go like this. You can do it one of two ways, really. So I'm going to try this just for simplistic sake, just for this video sake. And if I need to go back and play around with it, that's fine. All right. So once you complete your banner at that 1128 by 191 pixels, we're going to download it as a PNG and let her rip. And then we'll go back to our LinkedIn and get me out of the way again. And there we go. All right. And then tagline. Were you aware? I'm not really sure. You can go back and change all this shit, obviously. Just going to put, did you know for now? I know it's the same as the title, but I'm not really sure what to put right this second. And verify that I'm authorized representative, which I am. And we will now create the page and see what happens. I haven't done this in a while, so let's see. Oh, I see. Okay, so that is actually, we'll fix that. That's actually your logo. So we'll actually put this in here and we'll apply. All right. So if you screw up, let's go activate page, edit page. All right. So this is where you can make all your adjustments. Okay, I screwed up on the logo, obviously. So I'd use something not complicated, something that you can distinctly make out what it is. And I'm going to work, and I will use this. I can cut it later, do something better than that. All right, so there I am. I don't even like that. So I'm going to go and fix that. But that's basically how you do that. You can view as member. So there you go. And then, so between edits, I fixed that. Just keep in mind, this is going to be 300 by 300. And I have tutorials about how to use Photopea on the site as well. So I just did a 300 by 300 shot of my mug to upload. And then from here, we can go back. This is our admin panel. And we can go into edit our page, and then we can put in a description. So my description will probably be the same one that I have here. And let's see how much I can fit on there. And you might want to write this stuff beforehand, or let's see, description is required. Oh, okay. So I can put in everything I had before. I've got enough characters to do that. There's a website already put in. This organization doesn't have internet news, blah. So that's all the stuff we found. I found this last year, so I'll put 223. Phone number, I don't need. Specialty, I don't need. I can always go back and take care of that if I need to. So we will save. I'm going to put today's post of the video that I just uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I just have to get there and I'll go to content. And here it is. And I just need the frozen right now. Okay. Go. I was putting these on my media helper page, and I didn't want to put all my stuff there because it's not really meant for that. So we'll put that here. If you put a YouTube link, as you see, it will populate in there. And then I do have a description pre-written with my link to my YouTube site. And also my hashtags. If you use hashtags, people still use hashtags. I'm not sure why, but I still use them as well. So there's our first post, and there it is. So if we go to view as member, go to posts, and there's the post here. And the last thing, I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong there because normally they'd be listed under your profile here. But all you have to do is hit refresh. What is today was not being listed here. And I hit refresh, and there it was, the simplest of things. Isn't it always like 99% of the way, always the simplest things? Oops, that's not even the right one. Did you know? Okay. So here's my Did You Know site, and I can go in and fart around with it and tweak things, but you know how to do that because I just showed you. So that's it. Pretty simple, folks. If I didn't video it and edit and everything, it would have taken me, 10 minutes, I think, at the most. So do yourself up a LinkedIn business page for your business and or whatever, really. And that's it. Please subscribe, please like, please hit the bell for updates, and please share, and please have a good day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.